Ukraine is a young European country with well-developed industry and steady economic growth. This results in a great number of cars on Ukrainian roads. Battery, one of the most important automobile parts, energy source for all automotive electronics. Without battery, the onboard computer wouldn't work, the radio wouldn't turn on, the lights wouldn't flash. The engine wouldn't come to life without battery. National Accumulator Corporation ISTA is one of the top manufacturers of starter batteries in Europe. It was the first Ukrainian company which implemented a full batteries production cycle. High quality of production, the employees' professionalism. Due to them, company gained the popularity both at primary and secondary batteries markets. National Accumulator Corporation ISTA. The history of corporation began in 1992, when Ukrainian government had decided to create an open joint stock company ISTA and to build first lead-acid batteries factory in Ukraine. In 1995, the first stage of the ISTA Center factory was launched. In 1999, marketing and sales company Trade House ISTA was created. The production capacity is also expanding. The second batteries factory, DOS Energo Автоматика, is launched in 2001, and in 2003, Ukrsplav, factory of regeneration of lead-containing materials. In 2006, Interplast is launched, the factory that specializes in polypropylene cases production. In 2007, the corporation began to supply batteries to Renault Group, one of the top automobile manufacturers. In 2008, the international certificate ISO/TS 6949/2002 is attained. In 2010, the modernization program was completed by introducing a new production line. The battery supplies for the municipalities of Italy and France were commenced. In 2011, the supplies to European agriculture machinery manufacturers were started. ISTA Corporation became the only Ukrainian accumulator batteries manufacturer which received international certificates in ecological production and quality management. Today, ISTA Corporation comprises two factories of the car batteries production, ISTA Center and DOS Energo Автоматика, plastic parts manufacturer, Interplast, Ukrsplav factory, marketing and sales division, Trade House ISTA. The corporation has its own research center and R&D bureau. This organization structure ensures a full cycle of batteries production, from getting raw to products delivering. At each stage, a strict control of technological processes and quality of products is taken. The manufacturing process begins at Ukrsplav factory. Here is produced leaden alloy from which an electrode plate, the main component of the battery, is made. The basis of a stretched plate is an electrode grid that is produced at the electrode workshop by rolling tape and its following punching. However, at the foundry an electrode grid is made by casting method, which is provided with the Weir's equipment. Cast plate comes without mechanical defects that prevents the destruction of the battery's insulating layer. Moreover, casting method is waste-free. All waste materials are returned to the casting boiler. Then, a specially prepared active mass is applied to the plate. This paste is produced in a modern Irish vacuum mixer. A vacuuming process ensures the more precise temperature conditions and composition specifications. A double-side pasting provided by special Automotive equipment improves the quality of the battery and increases its durability. Afterwards, the plates are transferred to the curing workshop equipped with catalytic chambers. These modern curing chambers not only can reduce the cycle duration, but also provide precise observance of all required technological standards, which increases the longevity of the battery. In starter batteries production, various plastic parts are used. Almost all of them are made at specialized ISTA Corporation company, Interplast factory. The factory is equipped with latest foreign equipment. Most of production process is fully automated. A high-quality polypropylene is used as a raw material. Use of modern thermoplastic machines allows to control not only the quality of products, but also their look. The starter batteries are collected at the assembly shop with Savema company's equipment. This process is automatic. Automatization allows to control the assembly quality at each stage of the process. Assembled batteries are transferred to the battery forming workshop. The battery's forming is being proceeded on the special forming desks with water cooling. Due to the use of modern equipment, it was possible to reduce the time of forming incredibly, to improve the battery's quality and parameter stability. This process is controlled by a specialized computer system. After forming, all the batteries arrive to a pre-delivery preparation line, the last point of battery's quality control. This is a fully automated line with a lab pneumatica equipment. Even if at the previous stages of production the construction or battery parameters were somehow deviated, it will be identified. Finally, all the products are brought to appropriate marketable condition there. Monitoring and refilling the electrolyte, plug twisting, washing and drying the battery, checking the battery with a high-frequency current and a high voltage are done here. After such a strict control, the probability of deviations in the battery tends to zero. At the end of the preparation process, the battery marking and the label sticking are being done. Now, the battery is totally ready to be delivered to the customer. ISTA Corporation is a leading manufacturer of starter batteries for cars. Its position as Ukrainian market is stipulated by the high quality of products that meets both Ukrainian and international standards. Since the quality of the final products is the top company priority, an advanced quality management system certified by the international standard ISO/TS 16949/2009 is implemented. According to the requirements, the newest control methods of the main technological parameters of the production process are implemented. To ensure products' constant quality, company plants use the latest foreign equipment. And since most of processes is automated, the probability of deviations from standards and requirements is minimal. In 2011, National Accumulator Corporation ISTA successfully passed the ASES Quality Management System audit for compliance with the renowned Nissan standards. Successful partnership with this world's leading automobile alliance lasts since 2007. A significant contribution to the product's quality improvement is made by their own research and development divisions. The evidence of active and efficient work of these departments is a huge number of patents obtained for different inventions in the batteries production. For instance, here we obtained patents on accumulator batteries for special machinery and maintenance-free batteries. The work that is ongoing in the laboratories allows to change the production process according to the specific requirements of automakers. In addition, laboratories conduct research on composition improvement of alloys of lead-containing plates with additional doping, which increases corrosion resistance of the final products, as well as they research the optimization of lead refining modes. The consumer characteristics of ISTA Corporation products comply with the current market requirements. They are a low self-discharge, a resistance to deep discharge, a stable starting power, and improved launch of a cold engine. Not the least of them is a contemporary battery design, which is also crucially important. Planet Earth is unique. We humans live here. The Earth is our home. However, the more careless exploitation of its natural resources and unrestrained environmental pollution is, the more acute arises the problem of human survival. Is it possible to leave the planet to our descendants so that it will still have all they need to exist? ISTA Corporation, as a socially responsible company, is very serious about its production ecology. The corporation enterprises follow the strictest environmental requirements, to the raw materials, to all the stages of the production process, to the wastes. That is why ISTA Corporation is the only Ukrainian starter batteries producer which received an international certificate in environmental production, ISO 14001-2004. This certificate foresees strict standards on environmentally safe production and natural resources management. Such attitude to the ecology of the whole production process will save our nature for future generations. After all, ecology is the science that aspires to the future. Nowadays, the corporation produces all types of starter lead-acid batteries of different sizes and various capacities. Premium maintenance-free accumulators, reliable and durable with prolonged service period. Standard class batteries with low maintenance, improved properties and increased starting current. And the economy class batteries with the usual values of nominal capacity and starter discharge strength that combine an ease of service and a good performance. Products promotion both at internal and external markets is the main task of Trade House ISTA, which was created in 1999. Proper sales and marketing strategy extended geography of battery sales far beyond Ukraine. Today, ISTA Corporation accumulators are sold all over the world, in former Soviet republics, in Germany, France, Great Britain, Italy, Finland, Slovakia, Poland, Cyprus, Lebanon, Iraq. The world's leading automakers are among the partners of the corporation, and one of the company's most important achievements is the conclusion of a long-term partnership agreement with the world-famous automobile concern Renault. Although National Accumulator Corporation ISTA goes on to develop, it improves technologies and upgrades production facilities, increases the production volume and expands the geography of sales and partnership. Though the most important is still the quality of products that is going to improve constantly. After all, it's the only way to remain a leader in the automobile batteries manufacturing.